Bridget the Brave. Hey, V, ready to play some games? So ready. But, before we play, I have to clean my room. Don't worry, we'll help. It's a pretty batty situation.
Your room is scary messy.
When you have super speed, things can get pretty messy pretty fast. But we can clean up just as fast. Let's do it. Oops, sorry. That's my jack-o'-lantern in a box.
It's okay. I'll look over here instead.
Oh, he won't hurt you. Hi, Harry. He's pretty cute.
I know. I'm sorry I got so scared.
My room can be pretty spooky. Who knows what else might pop out of this mess?
Like me!
Oh, wait. It's just Demi.
Just Demi? No, I am Demi the Dazzling.
You are?
No, but I'm trying out a few new nicknames, huh? Demi the Magnificent, Demi the Handsome, Demi the Does Anyone Look Better in a Bow Tie?
Huh. What would mine be? How about Bridget the Scared All the Time?
Everyone gets scared sometimes. I can't even think about baby cows without getting the shivers.
For me, it's slime. Ugh.
Those tubas get me every time. I mean, yes, slime. Awful, sticky, scary stuff. Yuck.
What we mean is, it's okay that you get scared by stuff in V's house. It can be pretty surprising.
But I should be used to how unusual things are around here. I wish I was more brave.
You are brave. You're friends with a bunch of vampires and ghosts, gargoyles, skeletons. You're really brave, and we love you exactly the way you are.
Thanks. I never thought about it that way before.
You found the Skelly Run game.
But I got scared. Again.
Then let's practice being brave by playing Skelly Run. You played before, so you'll know what to expect.
Okay, let's give it a try. Why'd it have to be spider webs?
Don't worry, you got this. Ready? Skelly run, boom, boom, boom. Webs come out and fill this room.
Yay!
Wow,
Now get out there.
we'll be with you the whole time.
No, I'll get the skeleton by myself. Bridget the Brave is on the case. Oh no, the attic. That's the spookiest room of all. I'm going in. I'm going out. No, I'm going to be brave. Nothing to be scared of, just a dusty old book. A spell to make someone fear. I think it says fearless. Hang on, Skelly. This spell can make me fearless, which means I won't be afraid of anything anymore. If you're worried about feeling afraid, this spell will give you an upgrade. Just wiggle your hand and stick out your thumb. Now at last you're fearsome? Wait, I thought it was fearless. Now at last you're fearless. I did it, I think. Only one way to find out. Gotcha! I did it! I was brave! Mwah! And I kissed a skeleton!
Try again. Where is my home? Choose your answer. Uh-oh. This is the answer. Where is my home? Choose. Which is shorter? Choose it. Which is shorter? Uh-oh. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer. Uh-oh. This is the answer. Uh-oh. This is the answer. Here's your score. Uh-oh. Choose an activity. Music box. Music box. Choose a number to enjoy a melody. Bye for now.